Hello, everybody. Second year students, evening classes, University of Kufa, College of Arts, Department of English. This is the main or the first lecture in your, it's not actually a lecture, it is a recording about your grammar course in the second year. The first lesson in your syllabus is lesson 7, which is in page 197. It is past perfect, simple and continuous. أول محاضرة لكم اللي هي محاضرة الماضي التام سواء كان بسيط أو مستمر. راح أشرح لكم تقريبا 70% in English and I'll explain something in Arabic. Past perfect يكون عموما subject had زائد past participle of the main verb then complement. See, in English, before going to the uses or in details, in English, the past perfect is not used alone. Keep this in your mind. We cannot use the past simple alone, just like I had finished my topic or we had met before. No, this is not possible. So let's see, after knowing the structure of the tense, which is subject, had, you can see here, had, and past participle of the main verb, then complement. So let us see the first one. We have three main uses of past perfect. A, to express the time relationship between two events in the past, particularly when the close marker does not indicate this relationship. What does it mean? Simply, when you have two actions in the past and one comes after another, it means one is perfect, finished, and then the other one comes next. This is called two events in the past and there's a relationship between them, for example, time relationship. Let's see the example. Here in these two boxes, you can see that the end of the first box is diagonal or something like that. It continues with the second box. Listen. Professor Baker had already dismissed the class when he announced the exam. Two actions. The first one, Mr. Baker had dismissed the class. Then, when you say when, then he announced the exam. Jack had given up trying to solve the problem when he called up Bill. So it means that after he had given up solving the problem, he called up Bill. So by these two examples, we can say that the past perfect, the first use, expresses two events, there's a relationship between them in the past, one after another. The second one, which is, by the way, this topic is very common in your syllabus in high school. منهجكم نفسه ترى هذا بالسادس لا تتذكرون وين وايل بالمرحلة السادس وحدة الأولى أول موضوع قواعدي وين وايل هو نفسه. Sorry, الوحدة الخامسة. الوحدة الأولى كان داخل past continuous. Sorry. B. To report statements made in the simple past tense or present perfect. When you have reported speech from direct speech, you have to use the past perfect if you want to change a sentence in the direct speech, which is in the past tense or present perfect. You can change it to what? To past perfect. Professor Baker said, I have lost my watch. On the other hand, reported speech Professor Baker said that he had lost his watch. I have lost becomes he had lost. Jack said, I gave up at 6 o'clock. Jack said that he had given up at 6 o'clock. So, gave up, had given up. In this way, we changed the direct speech into reported speech by using the past perfect. Third one, to express wishes and unreal conditions about the past. When you wish something which cannot be accomplished anymore. Okay? Professor Baker wished or wishes that he had not lost his watch. This is a wish which cannot be accomplished because he really lost his watch. So I don't want the clip to be so long. 6 minutes enough. So this is a very simple thing about the form and uses of the past perfect. Thank you so much. See you in the next clip.